Hello, welcome to NAS Unboxing. Today we will introduce our new accessory QXG-5G1T, 2T, and 4T, which is a series of our new 5G internet expansion card. We have 10G card before and it was popular. Still, we've heard a lot of voices that there are needs of a 5G expansion card, so that is why you will see this 5G card after a 10G card. And this is the QXG-5G1T. The dimension is really tiny, 10 cm as length and 7 cm as width. This is the one that can help you to upgrade your internet speed just in one small action, to plug it onto your NAS or your computer. Well, for the QXG-5G1T, it's using a PCIe Gen 2x1 connector and supports one Internet port, and the bracket comes with half height pre-installed. And the full height bracket also comes in the package, so you can just change it under your own condition. For the QXG-5G1T, 2T and 4T, the connector go PCIe Gen 3. Also, Internet ports go up to 2 ports and 4 ports. This also upgrades the flexibility and the speed under actual usage. For your reference, if you are installing this card onto QNAP NAS, please remember to upgrade your firmware into the latest for using the expansion card. And if you want to install the card onto your Windows or Linux computer, please go to QNAP website and download the corresponding driver. And if it's not enough for you, we actually also provide Q switch in 10G or our QNAP T3 10G series and the QNAP UC5G1T, which are the popular portable internet adapter for you. And if you also want to know more, please go to live.qnap.com and search QXG-5G1T to see the most detailed information. And we will see you next time on QNAP NAS Unboxing. Bye!